know that Trevor Tenbrink is an 80% free throw shooter.
I thought it was Michael. Michelle.
That means for every free throw he takes, we expect there's an 80% chance he's going to make that shot. So, in last Tuesday's basketball game, when the team played so well, Trevor went to the line in the last 2 minutes of the game and shot 5 free throws. Okay? And he missed 3 of them.
What? I don't like this. Scrub.
How likely is it that Trevor would go to the free throw line 5 times and only make 2 or miss 3 or more? Okay? Our simulations have 4 steps. Okay? Step 1 was to state the question we're trying to answer. So in our case here, I said, how likely is it that Trevor would miss 3 or more free throws out of 5? Trevor, hush. So we're basically trying to see, did he choke? There's the statement of our problem. Okay? Step 2. What is step 2 in a simulation? Greater than or equal to 3. Okay. What was that, Coco? Ben, please. Give a label to every outcome. So the outcomes are you hit or you miss, right? Yes. Okay. Can we do 80% with 1-digit numbers? Yes. Okay. So our plan is to use the digits 0 through 9, and we need 8 of them to represent a shot made, right? Because 8 out of 10 is 80%. That would be what? 0 to, okay. Which means the remaining 2 would be miss. And also in the plan, we always had to identify what constituted one trial of this experiment or simulation. So one trial in this case is to have Trevor shoot how many shots? Okay. That's important. Any questions about the plan? No. All right. Now, you will, on the exam, be given a part of a table of random digits to use, okay? So I'm just taking a moment here, and I've gone to a particular line number in my table, and I'm copying some of these numbers down. And you will also be told how many trials to run. We know, in reality, we would want to do this many, many times because the law of large numbers teaches us that, as Noor said, and Ben, the more you do something, the more accurate it is. I will tell you that in this case, we're going to carry out 10 trials of this simulation, which is why I am using 10 groups of 5-digit numbers. Okay? All right. We'll always ask you to mark on or above the table of random digits to make your procedure clear. You getting this, Trevor? Okay. So, here's my first trial. Shots made. 1, 4, 4, and 5. I've got to keep track of whether or not this is a success or a failure. Did Trevor miss at least 3 of his 5 free throws? That is a failure. Okay? Trial 2. Hit, hit, hit. Oh, they're all hits. Did Trevor miss at least 3 of his shots? Okay? You keep going on your own and see if you can determine the answer to this question. How many misses here?
0.
How many misses here? One miss here, right? One miss here. One miss here. And two misses.
Told you it never happened. Oh, wait, why is that a success? Yeah, that's be a failure.
Oh, that's right, because we said at least 3. So, we've carried out the number of repetitions that we've been instructed to do so. Okay? So now, step 4 is always to state your conclusion in the context of the problem. Okay? So there is a what % chance that this happens? Yeah. That Trevor would miss at least 3 of 5 shots at the free throw line.